But yeah, were you playing on there when that guy? Oh yeah, you were. That guy Gookie.
Yeah.
Dude, that guy was a dumbass. He had like the entire thing. He had 110 kills at the end of 10 rounds. Dude, I had 500. Well, last night I perked up my demolition 3, and I've never actually